Ever seen a nature park hidden in plain sight? Well, today we are at Moccasin Lake Nature Park right here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida, where the owls hoot, the fish swim, and the turtles roam, where all the nature wraps around it. Today we are in Clearwater, Florida, getting ready to show you guys what this park is all about. Thank you for joining us, and let's go explore. Walking into this park now, just want to give you guys a heads up that it will close at 5 p.m. Beautiful nature scenery around as we enter the park here. As you guys can see, Moccasin Lake Park closes at 5 p.m. Beautiful landscaping here. Making our way to the front of the park. Coming up on this map now. Moccasin Lake Nature Park map. Park rules to go over: no smoking or vaping, no pets, no bikes on trails, no fishing, and park closes at 5 o'clock. As we make our way in, we are greeted by some beautiful bald eagles here at the front of the park. His name is Penelope, born in January of 2014. Hey Penelope, you are a beautiful, beautiful eagle. Penelope was originally rescued in Punta Gorda, Florida, after being spotted on the ground in a wooded area, first by a hiker, then ultimately found thanks to a heroic dog who picked up her scent. She was taken to Peace River Wildlife Center, where it was discovered that she had permanent wing and shoulder damage from a fall. And because she can no longer fly properly, Penelope cannot survive on her own, so they are here to live out the rest of their days. Coming up now on the short-tailed hawk. There in the corner there. Short, squared-off tail and broad wings. They come in 2 colors: light morph, white underside, and dark upper parts. Dark morph, which is a dark black-brown. In flight, they have a distinct 2-tone pattern with pale feathers contracting against darker wings. And their lifespan is roughly 8 to 12 years in the wild. They mainly eat small birds, which they often catch in mid-air. Also small mammals, reptiles, and insects. And over here we have an American black vulture. Hello. So the basics on the vulture: they are 22 to 24 inches. They weigh 56 to 87 ounces. Their diet is carrion, eggs, decomposing plant matter, and occasionally newborn mammals. Yeah, you like newborn mammals, don't you? Coming up now on the osprey here. You guys can see him back there. Large fish hunters with a distinctive white head and a dark eye stripe. Females usually have a more pronounced chest band, and their lifespan is 15 to 20 years. In the wild, they reach sexual maturity at 3 years and can continue to reproduce throughout their entire lifespan. Making our way over more through the park, we are coming up to this Louis T. Peterson Eastern Screech Owl habitat, dedicated in 2021. Where's he at? There he is. There he is. Get you guys close up on him. Fun fact about these guys: the Eastern Screech Owl is a small owl with a round head, tuft ear, feathers, and yellow eyes. Despite its name, its call is more of a soft trill rather than a loud screech. We have the red-shouldered hawk, which is a medium-sized bird of prey with a distinctive reddish-brown chest and shoulders and a long banded tail. Lifespan in the wild, red-shouldered hawks typically live up to 10 to 15 years, though more have been recorded living over 20 years. And right beside that hawk, we have a red-tailed hawk. Large bird of prey known for its striking reddish-brown tail. It has broad, rounded wings and a short, wide tail. Their diet consists of they hunt small mammals like mice, rabbits, and squirrels. Using their keen eyesight, they soar high or perch before swooping down to catch their prey. We have another one here as well. Going to start our walk down these trails. Butterfly garden this way, Moccasin Pond, as well as the classroom is over here. You are entering the Moccasin Lake Nature Park system. This area has been left in a natural state and provides for a safe and tranquil walk. Please stay on designated trails and watch for low-hanging branches, slippery boardwalks, fallen tree limbs, trip hazards, anthills, insects. Take only pictures and memories. Thank you. Animal and plant life protected, do not disturb. Trail is straight ahead of us. You can hear the birds flying up there. So some fun facts about this park that I was just Googling, actually ChatGPTing here, is it is an urban oasis. The park spans 51 to 54 acres and is a carefully preserved nature sanctuary right in the middle of busy Clearwater, because right down the street is where the Thresher Stadium is. We're going to be making our way to the butterfly garden to our right here. And as we make our way to the butterfly garden, there's another little bit of history here that's interesting. This has a lake with a backstory. Moccasin Lake is not natural. It formed from the excavation dirt used to build the US 19 overpass. That leftover pit eventually filled with rainwater and became the lake we see today. Coming up on this really tranquil butterfly garden now. To the butterfly garden now. Different kind of plants we can see here as well. We got the firebush, we got the marlberry, we got the Stokes aster wild coffee plant. We have the blue porterwood and goldenrod, as well as some little gillows. Eastern black swallowtail, Brazilian tree-tailored bat, evening bats, herb beetles, and snail-eating beetles. Looks like they have some butterfly houses lined up here as well, trying to attract more of them to come in. Got the butterflies flying all around here. Little pond here. Got some turtles in there too. Gonna be going up to Moccasin Lake here pretty soon now. Moccasin Pond. Another cool little fact here is they also do some sustainability and action programs here. So long before climate became mainstream, the park incorporated eco-friendly features, a windmill, solar panels, composting toilets, and evaporation-based purification system in its facilities. I thought that was a cool little tidbit. So coming up to our first boardwalk here, they do say caution, uneven boards on bridge, please watch your step. But we are making our way finally over to the Moccasin Lake. Which, like I said, this is actually a non-natural lake. Got a turtle in the water there. It's even a waterfall effect here as well on the other side of this bridge. Just love the sound of nature and just getting out into it. No fishing, like we mentioned earlier. There should be gators in here. Pretty much every body of water has at least a gator. In all these park videos that I've done, I've never been able to capture a wild gator yet. And I am really hoping that eventually, with more park videos like this, that we will run into an alligator once or twice in these videos. Found the sign here, Moccasin Lake Nature Park. What is a water goat? A water goat collects trash that washes in from storm drains in surrounding neighborhood streets. Help us protect water and properties from flooding by keeping debris and trash out of the streets, streams, and ditches, and by picking up trash when you see it. We all live downstream. Can you spot the water goat in Moccasin Lake Nature Park's green pond? All right, guys, can you spot the water goat? So the more we go through this park, you can definitely tell that if you are a wildlife lover like myself, this is definitely the perfect spot for you. Birders can spot herons, ospreys, hawks, woodpeckers, and more. You might even see raccoons, gopher tortoises, butterflies like we saw earlier, and if you're lucky, alligator baskers near the water's edge. So it's like I said, we are trying to find eventually some gators out here. We'll see if we find them. If not, we don't. This is interesting. It's almost like they do, or they did, some kind of show here. Some kind of presentation here. You would see this is where the stage would be. And then if we wrap it around, you would have all these seats. I don't think they do anything here anymore though. Continuing our way down the trail here now. Looks like we're coming up on another bridge here pretty soon. Well, I will definitely be honest with you guys, this is my first time at this park. I honestly didn't even know this park was here until we headed over to George C. McGuff Park, which you guys can check out. We did a whole video feature on them. And talking with the staff over there, they mentioned coming over here to Moccasin Park, Moccasin Lake, and checking it out over here. It's definitely a nice warm day today. It is currently 89 degrees. Making our way to yet another little dock area. I'll definitely take a picture of this real quick, because you guys can see. I believe that road straight ahead is US 19. And here we have a lot of marshland. A lot of marshland here. Continuing our way through the trail again. It is so tranquil out here. This is definitely an oasis right off one of the busiest highways in Pinellas County, if not the busiest highway in Pinellas County, aka US 19. Coming up through yet another footbridge here. Wow. Just soaking it all in right now. How beautiful this place is. If you guys been here before, comment below. What is your favorite bird to see? What is your favorite turtle to see? What's your favorite plant to see? There's so much to check out here, and this is what I love about the channel. It's just showing you guys God's great earth. Got a little stream here. The first streamer. Got some rocks next to it. Don't see any fish in there. And continues over here. Got another footbridge here. There's a lot of footbridges in this park. Another thing I just discovered, there's a railroad track on the other side of this park here. There are some trains coming through the Largo, Clearwater area. Just looking around here, I noticed this in the ground here. I'm not real sure what this is. It kind of looks like a bell that hit the ground. If you guys know what this is, hit the comments below. Let me know what this is. I'm not real sure. Gonna let you guys soak this in real quick. There's really nothing much else to say other than how tranquil and beautiful it is here. You guys have to come check it out for yourself. Seems like every park we go to, there are these signs on the trees, and this one is a water oak. Fun tree facts: short lifespan of 30 to 50 years, fast growing and reproduces quickly, often planted as a shade tree. Sun preference: full sun, partial sun / shade. Soil preference: they like it moist and well drained. And one of the cool parts about this is the annual value of trees benefits to the community. Prevents soil erosion, improves air quality, reduces carbon dioxide, and the total estimated ecological value over the life of the tree is $2,204.40. Thank you guys so much for joining us here at Moccasin Lake Nature Park. Come check this out for yourself. It is a beautiful park right off one of the busiest highways. Like I said, if not the busiest highway right here in Clearwater, none other than US 19. Thank you guys for watching today. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you guys for returning. Or if this is your first time, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time right here in Paradise and Pinellas.